Hi there, my name is Eric Linder, and today we're going to show you three things. The first thing we're going to show you is how to set up your San Diego Toastmasters 7 Gmail on your Windows 10 PC. The next thing we're going to show you is how to access the club's upcoming agenda and its master schedule for scheduling your speeches. The last thing we're going to do is show you how to easily access these resources just by double-clicking an icon on your Windows desktop. The first thing that you need to do before we begin is to make sure that you have the Google Chrome browser installed in your computer. To check to see if Google Chrome is present, just go to the Start menu, which is right here. Then scroll down until you see Google Chrome. It's alphabetical. There it is, Google Chrome. So let's launch Google Chrome. As you can see, I already have a Google Chrome profile present on this computer, or at least one. And I can tell because when I click this, I scroll down and I see this profile is present, and here are the other profiles that I have in Google Chrome. So what we're going to do now is set up a new Chrome profile for your San Diego Toastmasters 7 Gmail account. Here's how you do that. We want to click the Add button to create a new profile for this San Diego Toastmasters 7 Gmail account. Now at this point, it's a good idea to close that existing Chrome window that is in the back of this new profile setup window. We don't want to get confused as to which window we're in, so I'm going to close that. So let's proceed through this profile setup wizard. Let's move to the center of the screen and click the Sign In button. Now by this time you have received an email that went to your personal email account from one of our Toastmasters Club officers that has a username and a password for you to use for your San Diego Toastmasters 7 Club Gmail account. I have a test account that we're going to use for the tutorial today, and the test person's first and last name is Maria Testerson. So for the email account name, I'm going to use the first initial combined with the last name. So the entire email account name will be mtesterson@toastmasters7.org. So I'm going to type that in. And then I'm going to check my spelling, mtesterson@toastmasters7.org, and click Next. So here where it says enter your password, just use the password that you were sent in that same email earlier. So please type in that password and click Next. Now just a note, you're going to have to change your password as soon as you successfully enter the one from that email earlier. So please make a note of your new password before we're done today. So here's the Welcome to your new profile screen, and all we have to do is click Next. The next screen says Turn on Sync, and I believe that's a good idea. So go ahead and click Yes, I'm in. And there we are. We're logged into your San Diego Toastmasters 7 Google account. Congratulations. So now that we've set up our new Chrome profile, we're going to check our San Diego Toastmasters 7 Gmail account. So click the little Gmail link right here in the upper right-hand corner. And there we go. You can already see that we have some emails here. So the next thing we're going to do is set up some handy bookmarks to some resources that you will be using as a member of your club. In order to do that, we need to configure your browser to show the bookmarks bar. To do that, I'm going to go up into the upper right-hand corner and click the three dots that are there. Then I'm going to scroll down to bookmarks and then hover over the Show Bookmarks bar. It's already checked because it's actually already showing, but I'm just going to toggle it so you can see what it looks like. I've not shown it, then I'm going to go back there and I'm going to show the bookmarks bar, hit the three dots, go to bookmarks, and show bookmarks bar. And there we go. So you can see the address bar here, and right below it is the bookmarks bar that has the apps shortcut already in it. So let's add a bookmark for Gmail to the bookmarks bar, so you can just click it and that will launch Gmail for you. To create a bookmark for this email page, all we need to do is hover over and then click this star in the upper right hand corner and then click Add Bookmark. And we can see that it's going to add the bookmark in a folder called the Bookmarks bar, which is exactly where we want it to be. So click Done. And there it is, a bookmark in the bookmarks bar for the inbox for Gmail. So let's add a couple more important bookmarks to the bookmarks bar. Now by this time you should have received into the San Diego Toastmasters 7 Gmail account inbox an email from one of our club officers that has a link to the upcoming agenda and master schedule for San Diego Toastmasters 7. And here is that email near the top of the list of emails. So let's click that email. I see a couple of links in this email. Let's click the link for upcoming agenda. The upcoming agenda is a very important document and you're going to be using it at least once every week. How that works will be explained to you in another email. So let's create a bookmark for it in the bookmarks bar. To do just that, do the same thing. Click the star in the upper right hand corner. Click Add Bookmark, and we're going to put it in the same folder called Bookmarks bar. So click Done. And look at that, the bookmark for the upcoming agenda in your bookmarks bar. Let's add one more bookmark, this one for the master schedule. It's the same process as before. Let's go back to that tab where our emails were. This time we're going to click that email, get into that email, and click the second link for the master schedule. Same process as before. Hit the bookmarks star, hit Add Bookmark. Make sure it's going to the bookmarks bar and click Done. And there it is, the link to the master schedule. So the next thing we want to do is create a shortcut icon onto the Windows desktop for this San Diego Toastmasters 7 Chrome profile, so you can get to your Toastmasters 7 resources easily. Here's how to create that shortcut. Again, let's go up to the upper right-hand corner and click those three dots. This time we're going to hover down to click Settings. Now move your mouse cursor toward the center of the screen, then hover down to Customize your Chrome profile and hit the arrow off to the right. Here you can see the name of the Chrome profile, toastmasters.7.org. Now we're going to scroll down to where it says Create a Desktop Shortcut. We're going to slide off to the right and we're going to toggle the little button to the on position. So now let's minimize this Chrome window. That's this right here. Now let's see if it did what we said it was going to do. Well, looky here. A Chrome profile for someone named Maria. That's Maria Testerson. That's our Maria Testerson tutorial account. So that's great. So I suggest that every week, early in the week, you will want to check the upcoming agenda to see if you have a role for the week. Just double click that icon to launch your Toastmasters 7 resources. Enter your password if you need to, and those resources and bookmarks will be there for you. Well, that's pretty much it, so have a great day.